like if we bring him out and he's not responding, plus he's not breathing, and plus no pulses. So that means his heart has been stopped pumping. So what we have to do, we have to give him a shock, and it is given by this defibrillator, and it is automatic. We don't have to do anything. We have to carry this one. This one we can use as a pillow down below his neck like this.
So this one must be
Why? Any?
For clear the airways. No.
Open in airways.
For the clear the airways.
No. Sleep.
sleep. Very good breathing now. Yeah, nose more open, no?
Bring the cabin.
Then we have a hygiene kit. We just cut the clothes because this patch should be intact with your skin. Otherwise, it will not work properly. So we have a razor. Remove the boiler suit, shave it if it is hairy, and then open the pads. Put in a Z shape, one above and one below your nipples, and then we just switch it on this one.
Okay, adult pad.
So it is always telling
Stay
you
calm.
attach
Check
the pads.
responsiveness. Call for help. Stay calm. Check responsiveness. Call for help.
So it will tell you that what to do. Yeah.
Open airway.
So already.
You can always check his airways. If we have a dongle, otherwise you can
Wash your hand.
do the finger sweep
Attach
also.
different pads to patient's bare chest.
So now it asks you a touch. Okay. So very simple. There is a secondary say. There is a one
Sensor.
sensor. There is a one
Heart sensor.
pad in the center have like a
Attach different
oval shape.
pads to patient's
So
bare
that
chest.
oval shape plus sign is must be exactly with the nipple and center. So where you need to do the CPR. Okay, because there and there only you need to press and push.
Attach
If we ask you
different pads
to
to patient's bare chest.
give the press,
the shocks.
yeah. So after that they will tell you that stay clear. Then you stay clear, give the shock again. Then after that continue pressing. So how you will do the CPR?
What is the ratio?
30.
Well,
15 compression, then one.
So easy one is 15 into 1. Okay, 15 compression, 1 blow, 15 compression, 1 blow. Okay. So when you are compression time, you might see in the movie. Sometimes we go on the hospital, some movie, no? They just go here and like this.
Yes.
Okay, no. Yeah. Make sure the lock
Straight.
and put it exactly. And this, your elbow must be always straight. Okay. Yeah. Then you press. Only this one all must be locked from the press shoulder. Yeah. But if he is working time, don't go and do it. It will Ratan will be kaput. Yeah. It will damage his heart. So
Bone also.
then bone, no, don't care about bone. This calabash and bring symbol. So it's only for the I say
Okay, so this is CBD, emergency escape breathing device. So you can open like this.
want to pull. Yeah, it's okay.
yeah.
So this is not training one. This is a live one.
This
Yeah?
is a like real one.
This is a live one.
So when you open it, will inflate.
No inflation. No inflation.
Mouse tube electric, yeah.
Okay.
No screen.
Yeah, it's green.
Screen, but express.
No, you need to do something.
Bite this one. And you can breathe it. Yeah?
Mouth.
Now I can see the air coming to my mouth and all.
So it's a positive pressure.
Yes.
thing.
But not too much positive.
Not
Yeah. So the idea is you just bite.
It should last around 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes. Just to run away from the smoking area.
You can escape to the nearest
Normally
escape
near
hatch.
the escape.
Just escaping.
Everywhere.
Just escape from that place
Is
for
the
that one
sensor.
only.
When it is going below
Oh.
green, then you know it's finished.
Okay.
So 10 minutes is allowed. Actually. Like if you are in the bottom floor, you need to come up to the bed So you tell me there is an emergency.
BS so that we will not waste the time. It's only 5 to 3 minutes until the brain dead for the person who is inside. So don't waste time. If you're standing outside and you know he's not responding, that means you know something is wrong. And we always goes for the worst scenario. Wear the BA set because we always keep standby there. So wear the BA sets and wait for the help. And when the other person coming there, you just go and we will. It will be little faster compared to.
Missing matter. But we know who is there inside the tank. Okay. After that, they say they established a rescue plan. So now this is gonna take time. But I will say one plan. Maybe chief might have one plan. Second engineer might have one plan. You might have one. So
No,
find an
chief
agreement.
major.
Agreement come was already lunchtime by okay we go
Chief
eat
major.
and after that. Okay. So first rescue plan establishing. So who will we go inside and out? It's gonna take time for decision making because who is there, right? So sometimes like as I said, like little bit heavyweight body guys. So we need to send the more people. Yeah.
Strong.
More people because we have 5 ASS only, so we will send maybe 5 people. So then after that they say that evaluate how is a tank condition. Is a toxic gas or something? Evaluate. After that, evaluate. Scene is done, then you can decide. Do we need BA or is a normal? Is part of helicopter is there also. So normally we need to prepare 2 firefighter with a proper fireman outfit with fire hose, charge hose, which is connected with the foam applicator. Okay, because helicopter operation is normally is because of the static. When you get static and suddenly kaboom. Okay, if kaboom he come on the ship, so what we do? We have to do the fire fighting and preventive measure. So as a preventive measure, they come normally they lower the static wire also. And we have a helicopter rescue box in the forward, so inside have a wire cutters and all the tools are there. So that's what is minimum required for the helicopter operation. So the main thing is we have helicopter rescue orange color one in the hospital. So this is mostly for the patient. You want to send it up. So these things is the one we have to send him up with the